My name is Sachin Shroff, and I lead the CRM, loyalty, and analytics function within marketing. So when in our prior CDP, there were a couple of things that were going on. One is the licensing cost was going up year over year significantly. The other thing was we were just not seeing a lot of innovation. When it came to the matching algorithm that came with it, we were just not seeing the technology was evolving as our needs were evolving for marketing and personalization. So that was the primary driver in actually going and considering a switch to another CDP. In picking the new CDP, we did go through a very exhaustive process of identifying what our CDP needs to be. So we actually did an RFP and then did a full proof of concept with 3 vendors and then finally picked Treasure Data. When we gave you guys all the data for proof of concept, and really what took me back was within a couple of days, Treasure Data came back and said what the number of profiles were. So the speed of execution was something that definitely caught my attention in the proof of concept. As we went to the proof of concept, really the transparency on unification, the logic, made me more comfortable. In the later stages, the pricing came out to be much more reasonable than what I was doing with my current CDP. And really your technology roadmap on where you were taking the customer data in terms of how to action based on that data and how to help the business were kind of the key things that got us into going with Treasure Data. My philosophy has been always personalization has to be done on scale. But the real power of the magic of personalization really come when you really get into those specific journeys and do that one-on-one personalization. I'll give you a use case. What we found is if we personalized our emails based on customers, what they browsed online within the last 30 days, you can get as much as, in double-digit lift in engagement in emails. But the problem with that is only 6% of people who come online shop in store, right? So you have to find those little pockets where you can really amp up personalization, and I believe Treasure Data is giving us that platform now, where not only we can understand various different segments and what will drive engagement with those segments. So now that we have this platform with all the customer data unified in one place, we are really trying to see how we can use that data further, really making it even more hyper-personalized, tying it with our loyalty program. So for example, where our emails or when somebody comes online, how can you get that knowledge about what tier of loyalty program that individual is and bring that to life? Also, what are their past purchase behavior in store and online, and bring recommendations based on that knowledge. So really taking personalization to one-on-one level now that we have all that data in one common place. And the other one is we are trying to see how we can use AI on top of our CDP investments to bring a lot of customer insights that can be actionable. Treasure Data is very customer driven and Michael's is very business driven. So I feel like that marriage worked out really well for us.